Most of us treat mental rest as passive, like meditation or scrolling through a feed. But the biology of a sharp mind actually requires the opposite, active, targeted training to prevent cognitive stagnation. Over the next few minutes, we are going to test your current cognitive baseline through a series of specialized drills. By the end, you will have a specific daily schedule to improve your focus and processing speed. To perform these tests, you'll need a pen, a blank piece of paper, and your smartphone. New neural connections only form when the brain is exposed to active resistance. To see measurable change, you must provide your full, undivided attention during these upcoming drills. This process relies on neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt by physically linking nerve cells together when forced to process unfamiliar information. This is a Schulte table, a specialized grid used to expand peripheral processing speed. Lock your eyes on the center square. Using only peripheral vision, find the numbers 1 through 25 in ascending order. You have 30 seconds. Ready? Go. If you struggle to find half the numbers, do not be discouraged. That friction is a sign that you are engaging your brain's adaptive mechanisms. Practicing with these grids regularly expands the reach of your peripheral vision, allowing you to process large amounts of visual data more rapidly. Improving your raw processing speed requires these uncomfortable visual challenges. Passive reading alone will not produce the same result. Next, we will introduce cognitive friction, a state where the brain must work harder to resolve conflicting information. Look at the words on the screen. Your task is to say the color of the ink out loud, ignoring the letters themselves. For example, if the word red is printed in blue ink, you must say blue. Try it now. This exercise forces your concentration and memory pathways to actively override the automatic habit of reading, creating a high-intensity workout for your executive function. Now, let's test spatial memory. Close your eyes and use your pen to draw a square or write your name on that piece of paper. Without visual feedback, your brain cannot correct your hand's movement in real time. It relies entirely on an internal spatial map to navigate the page. For a tech independence challenge, open your contacts, choose one phone number you use frequently but haven't memorized, and commit it to memory right now. Engaging in games that require strategy, like Sudoku puzzles, chess, or word scrambles, actively builds recall. This is the exact opposite of the mental atrophy caused by repetitive, addictive games. Relying on smartphones to store every detail outsources our cognitive load. Reclaiming these small tasks helps maintain your brain's inherent capacity for storage. Training your physical motor pathways is also necessary for maintaining a sharp, responsive mind. Try this hand coordination drill. Make a peace sign with your right hand and an OK sign with your left. Now switch them simultaneously, so the peace sign is on the left and the OK is on the right. The goal is to perform 5 clean switches in 10 seconds without losing the shape of the signs. Now pick up your pen with your non-dominant hand. Attempt to write today's date as clearly as possible. Performing complex tasks with your non-dominant hand breaks your neurological autopilot. It forces signals to cross between the left and right hemispheres of the brain, strengthening the mind-body connection through the corpus callosum. High-level mental clarity requires this dual approach, challenging your abstract cognitive skills while simultaneously disrupting your physical habits. To make these improvements permanent, you need to organize these exercises into a daily protocol that avoids burnout. This daily protocol prevents burnout. Morning is for physical habits, like brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand. Midday is for 60-second hybrid drills, like the Schulte table. Evening focuses on recall games, like Sudoku, or memorizing information without phones. Assigning these drills to specific times of day ensures you are consistently challenging your brain's neuroplasticity without causing mental fatigue. That sensation of mental exertion you feel right now is a signal that you are pushing against the edge of your current cognitive capacity. You now have a structured daily protocol to ensure your mind remains sharp, self-reliant, and focused. Put your new motor coordination to work immediately. Try to click the like button using only your non-dominant hand. For a final test of your spatial recall, close your eyes and try to type your name in the comments below without looking at the keyboard.